Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kayum from Q's Basic Cooking. I woke up early and I put my dough to rise, and I'm going to make stuffed naans today. It's a weekend, it's a Sunday. The nurse comes over to help my husband with some treatment, and so I decided to make a nice, yummy breakfast for everybody. Since everybody's taking time getting out of the bed, I made the yeast dough, let it sit for 45 minutes. I think I have the video for the yeast dough. I'll put the link. If I can find it, I will put the link down below so you can check it later how to make the dough. And then I had some meat curry. That was boneless meat curry, and I put it in the blender. That's 3 cups of meat and 1 cup of potato flakes. I make mashed potatoes with it, but I think I can use it here, so I put, it's like 1.5 cup of potato flakes. I'm mixing it with the meat paste I made in the food processor, and the potato flakes are going to soak up, so it's going to be a consistency of shami kebab. I think it's nice and firm now. You don't see the potato flakes because it's all absorbed in the liquids, and the dough is ready, nice and fluffy. I'm going to make small. This is like a 1 jumbo egg size, or it's bigger than a tennis ball. So just make equal size of dough balls and let them rise. Because it's a yeast dough, it's going to keep rising for as long as it's there. It never stops rising. So I flatten up 2 of them with hands, and I'm going to heat up my skillet. This is cast iron. You can use your regular fry pan or whichever tawa you prefer, and on very low heat. So while I'm doing this, it's going to heat up, and just added 3 tablespoons of the mixture, the meat and potato mixture, on top of 1 flattened dough, and I put the other one on top of it. I'm going to press it down to seal the edges, and then after I'm sure, then I'm going to stretch it with my hand. Just stretch. So this way you bring it to whatever size you like. You can stretch it more if you want. I'm going to make it the size of the skillet, so because I want to fill up the tummies. If they are nice and big, 1 is enough for each person. Everybody is an adult in my house, so everybody eats a fair amount of food. There you go. That's good. All right, so this is going to rise like a naan. If you can see, it's rising up. In the corners, you can see they're fluffier and bigger. It's rising. It's the same way we do the pita bread. I will try to add the link for the pita bread too, because it's almost the same kind of naan or pita bread dough. See, one side is done, the other one I put it, and same thing, let it rise slowly. Glaze it a little bit with butter or ghee if you like. I know some people don't like it, so you can just leave it like that. And I think I added a tablespoon of ghee in the dough too, so it's not much. There you go. It's nice and yummy, smells amazing, and it's glued together. I will try to open it to show it to you, because it's not paratha is crispy, very flaky. This one is like more like a like a flat bread, but it's fluffy, so it's hard to pull both layers apart. I'm serving it with a little bit of raita. You can use any chutney you like. Again, make sure you cook it on low heat, so it's because it has to rise and it comes like a naan or a flatbread thing. You can see that. See how nice that is? Alrighty, that looks good. And I'm becoming very hungry, so I'm gonna start brewing some coffee. And whoever wakes up can start eating. The nurse is also my friend, so she loves it too. Every now and then I make something yummy and give her a treat. There you go. Mine is going with the raita. Bismillah, bismillah, bismillah. Let's see it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.